In this video, we'll be discussing HTML page title. It is a very small topic. We have already discussed this. Every web page should have a page title to describe the meaning of the page. The title element adds a title to your page. So what you need to do? So in browser, whenever you see a tab like this and something, a title is written on the tab. So how does it come? You need to write the code first, and in the head section, after you write HTML, you just go to the head section, and in head section you add a title tag. The title tag is there, and then you write your, whatever the title is, then you close the title tag, and then you write all the content of your body and everything. So the title element defines a title in a browser toolbar, provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites. Whenever you bookmark something or add it to favorites, it also displays a title for the page in search engine results. So when how search engine works, it usually takes a title and it search by the title. So this is the title tag, and in the next lecture I'll be discussing HTML tables in depth, and I'll meet you in the next lecture.